the Prime Minister is facing increasing pressure from various political figures to urgently pursue the extradition of Andrew Tate and his brother, Tristan, back to the UK. This urgent call was notably highlighted by Sir Ed Davey, the leader of the Liberal Democrats, during a recent session in Parliament, where he pressed whether the government would intervene in this high-profile case. Andrew and Tristan Tate, who spent their formative years in Luton, made headlines last week when they travelled from Romania to Florida following the lifting of a travel ban that had previously restricted their movement. This change in their status has reignited discussions about their legal troubles, particularly as they are currently under investigation for serious criminal allegations in 3 different countries. In response to inquiries about the government's stance, Sir Keir Starmer, the leader of the Labour Party, indicated that he would proceed with caution. However, he firmly stated, justice must be served in all cases, including this one, underscoring the need for accountability in legal matters. The Tate brothers' legal issues are extensive and complex. They were previously detained in Bucharest last year after Bedfordshire Police obtained an arrest warrant linked to allegations of rape and trafficking that date back to incidents occurring between 2012 and 2015. In addition to these serious charges, the brothers are also facing accusations of trafficking minors, engaging in sexual relations with a minor, and money laundering in Romania. Their situation has garnered considerable media attention and public scrutiny, leading to questions about their potential extradition to the UK. Recently, a Romanian court ruled that the brothers could indeed be extradited to the UK once the legal proceedings in Romania have been concluded. This ruling has raised hopes among some UK officials and advocates for justice that the brothers will face trial in their home country. Meanwhile, Florida's Attorney General, James Uthmeier, announced on Tuesday that he has initiated a criminal investigation into the Tate brothers. He indicated that he has instructed the Office of Statewide Prosecution to execute search warrants and issue subpoenas as part of this active investigation. Andrew Tate has publicly responded to the developments, asserting to reporters that US authorities are trying to find crimes against an innocent man. This declaration reflects the brothers' ongoing insistence on their innocence amid mounting allegations. In addition to the criminal investigations, there is also a civil lawsuit pending in the UK against Andrew Tate filed by 4 women. This lawsuit emerged after the Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, decided not to prosecute him in 2019, a decision that has been met with criticism. Further complicating matters, 3 of the British accusers were subjects of an investigation by Hertfordshire Constabulary, which ultimately closed in 2019 without any charges being brought forward. Sir Ed Davey expressed his satisfaction that the Tate brothers are now facing a criminal inquiry in Florida, which he believes could lead to greater scrutiny of their actions. During his parliamentary address, he posed an important question to the Prime Minister, asking whether he agrees that individuals wanted by British authorities for such serious alleged crimes should be held accountable and tried in the UK. In response, Sir Keir acknowledged the ongoing nature of the case, stating, "This is a live issue, as he'll appreciate," but he maintained that the principle is absolutely clear regarding the necessity for the brothers to face justice. However, he refrained from going into further detail, emphasizing the sensitivity of the live investigation. In a related development, reports have surfaced indicating that the Trump administration may have pressured the Romanian government to lift travel restrictions on the Tate brothers earlier this month. Although former President Donald Trump has denied any knowledge of the situation, the removal of these restrictions has raised eyebrows and led to speculation about political influences at play. Romania's anti-organized crime agency, Gov't, confirmed that prosecutors had cleared a request to modify the obligations preventing the defendants from leaving Romania. They warned the brothers that any deliberate violation of these obligations could result in stricter legal measures being imposed. In separate proceedings last December, Devon and Cornwall police were granted permission to seize more than £2 million from the Tate siblings. A magistrate ruled that the brothers had failed to pay taxes on a staggering £21 million generated from their online businesses, further entangling them in legal troubles. As the investigations continue to unfold across different jurisdictions, public interest in the case remains high, with many anxiously awaiting the outcomes of both the criminal and civil proceedings. The situation exemplifies the complexities of international law and the challenges that arise when dealing with high-profile figures accused of significant legal violations.